Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Capricorn for the month of August. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of August. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Capricorn. So this is your energy for this month, that is the Ace of Cups. There will be a lot of emotions and happy emotions, I should say. You will be peaceful, you will be content, there will be new emotions, there will be new exciting things in your life. You're going to feel fresh, you're going to feel happy, you're going to feel positive about a lot of things in your life. Moving towards your first week, that is Temperance reversed, 10 of Wands reversed, the Magician. Alright, so this first week shows me that you might get involved in a lot of things. You might be handling a lot of things. It could be at your workplace, maybe, that a lot of responsibilities are given to you, which is making you feel overburdened. This is making you feel that it's getting very difficult for you to balance your personal or professional life, maybe. And whosoever has given you this responsibilities, this person looks like your friend. This person looks like someone who cares for you, but in reality that is not the situation. Basically, this you have to be a little careful with this person, because I'm getting this feeling that maybe this person is just trying to trick you. He looks someone else, but actually he's totally a different person from inside. So he's got two faces, I believe. And because he has given you so many responsibilities or work, or because of this, you will feel overburdened, you will feel exhausted, and there is a possibility that you might even lose something important from your life because of this much of burden and stress. So before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly update. All right, here, so next week, that is the second week, the cards are Six of Pentacles reverse, Knight of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. So here, in the second week also, it will be very difficult for you to judge who this person is, who is just trying to make you who, because this person is someone close to you, and this person looks like your friend only. So it will be very difficult for you to figure out who this person is, because by the second week, you would have this feeling that because you are so much exhausted, you're going through overburden of stuff, and you have some kind of problems also. You don't know in certain areas what has to be done. So you will have this expectation from this person that this person is going to help you, as you have helped this person a lot in past. So but unfortunately, by the second week, you will somehow realize that this person is not going to help you. This person cannot solve your problems, or cannot, he doesn't want to be a part of your problems. So that is going to make you a little shock. But it will not because your energy is Ace of Cups for this month, so it will not make you feel very disheartened also, like not that much disheartened that you will stop working towards your future. You will definitely, you might stop for a while, but it will be for planning new stuff and getting new ideas so that you can work towards it. In the next week, that is the third week, the cards here are Nine of Wands, Five of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. So now that you know that you have to do stuff on your own and you cannot trust people, so that might make you a little insecure about certain things. You might feel that you have lost something because of that overburdened thing, because of that that backstab which you which the other person did to you. And even the you might have a little bit of insecurity also, because whatever you have, you've already lost a lot of things, but whatever is left, you will be little scared that hopefully that is not taken by anybody else. So you'll be like juggling between two different feelings. Somewhere you will be trying to be positive, but something might happen which might make you feel little dull, little disappointed, little sad, little scared, little fearful also. So all these things will be there. But definitely in the third week, the card is also showing me that you need to change your vision a little bit, because there will be something very very good hidden. You just need to find that thing. You might need to change your way of thinking, or you might need to look around for those things, and you will find your happiness. So in the fourth week, it is the Queen of Wands reverse, the World reverse, and the Fool card. Here I'm getting this feeling that uh, the life might look that it has stabilized, not stabilized, but it has stuck. Basically, it is not moving forward. You might just feel that what you expected things to be, that did not happen. You wanted to reach a place, you wanted to do something, you wanted to be happy, you wanted to be fully committed to something, but that did not happen somehow. But I don't know, that will not make you like lose everything. That will rather you might just think that maybe this is not a good time, maybe this is not what you were supposed to do. And this might even make you feel that you might start thinking about new opportunities, you might start thinking about something else, you might even start thinking about changing your path. So this kind of thoughts might come to you by the end of this month. So I think overall energy is good, nothing to worry, but you just need to be a little careful of this person, whosoever it is. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. For the personalized readings, see the description box. We also do the daily readings. So for that, you have to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. Good luck.